Good morning. Today we are discussing about the permanent magnet stepper motor operation. The micro stepping of stepper motor means the step angle permanent magnet stepper motor will very small. It also known mini stepping. Utilize a two-phase simultaneously as in two-phase on mode but two current mode unique in half stepping, where the two-phase current have the to kept equal. The current in phase held constant and the current flow through the phase winding is increased. Very small increment until maximum current is reached. The current in a phase A then reduced zero using increments in the way. This method of modulating current through the winding has to obtain the rotation of the stator magnetic field through small angle, get a very small step angle known as a micro stepping. Permanent magnet stepper motor operation. Simple permanent magnet rotor types stepper motor 4-pole two-phase can be operated by either or both I1 and I2. Polarity of current can be either positive or negative. Here the permanent magnet motor stepper operation. Here I1, I2 theta, then plus 0 degree angle, then 0 plus 90 degree angle, and minus 0 180 degree angle, and 0 minus 270, and plus 0 degree angle. That means 360 degree completed in one cycle of the full single phase supply. Permanent magnet stepper motor operation. Initially, rotor is assumed at rest. This can be obtained with I1 greater than 0 and I2 is equal to 0. Thus, I1 creates a magnetic field with the north and the south pole as shown in figure, which keeps the rotor stationary. The current sequence shown in the table causes the rotor to advance in the increment 90 degree. Thus, the current is applied to the coils with the appropriate switching sequence. The motor will rotate by 90 degree step with the current pulse. Then permanent magnet motor stepper motor operation. It is also possible to obtain intermediate step by supplying current to the both coil two-phase sequence. In this case, the magnetic stator pole will cause the rotor to align halfway between the stator teeth increments of 90 degree, but shifted by 45 degree. For this particular configuration, the increments cannot be finer than 45 degree, but by increasing the number of station teeth, greater solution can be obtained. Stepping angle typical values 7.5, 11.25, 15, 18, 45 or 90 degree. The phase angle. Here the full step permanent motor stepper motor. The rotor of a permanent magnet stepper motor consists of a permanent magnet and the stator has two pairs of winding. Just as the rotor aligns with one of the stator poles, the second phase is energized. Two phases alternate on and off and also reverse polarity. And then next, half stepper motor. The commutation sequence for a half stepper motor has 8 steps instead of 4. This main difference is that the second phase is turned on before the first phase is turned off. Thus, sometimes both phases are energized at the same time. During the half steps, the rotor is held in between the to full step position. A half step motor has twice the resolution of a full step motor. Here the full step motor function, then stepper motor operation. Here the phase sequence, here phase sequence conducted. Note how the phases are driven so that the rotor takes half steps. Here the first of all, then to conduct the Y phase, another phase is a positive and then negative phase conducted in the current control. At the same time, the rotational angle to the moment of rotor position. A stepper motor animation shows the how coils are energized for full steps. Here A, it will be conducted, another one is a B conducted and C conducted to the coil and D. The sequence of the A, B, C, D in the forward direction of the stepper motor function in the clockwise rotation of the rotor. The coil will be energized based on the firing angle, either 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, based on that firing angle to conduct the field coil and to energize the coil level to rotate the rotor in the step-by-step angle from the supply side due to the sequence of the A, B, C, D in the clockwise direction of the stepper motor. Here the full step sequence showing how binary numbers can be controlled the motor. Here 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Here the function of A, B and 1A, 2A and 2A, 2B. Here stepper motor operation unipolar full steps. Here the conduction for that is 1A, 1B0, 2A, 2B0. Here the second clockwise and then 1B will be conducted, remaining will be 0. And then third position, then 2A conductor, remaining will be 0. Then 2B conductor, remaining phase sequence of the coil 0. And then fifth step, then 1A will be conducted, remaining will be 0. And then sixth position and then 1B conductor, remaining will be 0. Then 2A conducted and remaining 0. 2B conducted, remaining will be 0. The phase sequence of the full step sequence showing the how binary numbers can be control the motor. Here the half steps sequence of binary control numbers. Here AB, 1A, 1B, 2A, then 1B. Here the stepper motor operation unipolar half steps. Here the index, here 1A step 1 and step 2. Here remaining will be 0 and then 2B, 1B will be conducted. Here the next, then 1B is the continuously conducted and then remaining 1B conducted, then 2A and 2B also conducted. Here the 2B conducted and also the position of 7th and 8th position will be conducted. The sequence of the 3 pulses in the conducted in the sequence ratio of the half step sequence of binary control numbers. Here the next step angle for 8, 9, 10 will be conducted, remaining will be 0 and also 10 and 11, 12 in the sequence of half controlled method it will be conducted, and then step another one is a 10, 11, 12 as a sequence of the conduction. Here the sequence of conduction for half step sequence binary control numbers. Here the stepper motor. Two distance mode of operation. Locked step, normal mode. Cleaning mode, in the first the rotor comes rest between steps. Rotor can be started, stopped, reversed sleeving mode does not allow stopping or reversal of the rotor, although in advanced in synchronism with the step sequence. Next, stepper motor characteristics. An ideal torque speed characteristics for stepper motor: two distinct levels of operation, locked steps mode and sleeving mode. Here, in the first, rotor comes to rest between steps mode common used to achieve a given rotor position. Rotor can be started reversed. Sleeving mode does not allowing stopping or reverse motor through it. Advanced synchronization with a stepping sequence, for example, rewinding of topic drive. Here the torque speed characteristics, then normal mode and curve A and curve B. Curve A, pull out torque, curve B, pull-in torque. Here the sleeving mode, then pull-in torque, maximum pull-in rate and pull-out rate. Max pull-out rate is a x-axis in the speed characteristics. And characteristics parameters: pull-out torque, the maximum torque which can be applied to a motor running at a given stepping rate without losing synchronism. Pull-in torque, the maximum torque against which a motor will start at a given pulse rate and reach synchronism without losing a step. Stepper motor characteristics parameters: holding torque, the maximum torque which can be applied to an energized stationary motor without causing spindle rotation. Pull-out rate, the maximum switching rate at which a motor will remain synchronism while switching rate is gradually increased. Pull-in rate, the maximum switching rate at which a loaded motor can start without losing steps. Sleeve range, the range of switching rates between pull-in and pull-out which a motor will run synchronism but cannot start to reverse. Then stepper motor performance: at high stepping rates, rotor will move continuously through velocity is not constant, and the motor will behave like a synchronous motor. Corresponding between the rotor steps input pulse makes ideal for digital control. Next, stepper motor application: quartz analog clocks and watches, printers, plotters, head positioning in computer hard disk drives, numerically controlled machine tools, power range from milliwatt to cents of kilowatt. Thank you.